Hello student, in previous video I explained you about functions of data frame that perform on rows and columns. Now today I will explain you other functions of data frame. So to explain functions of data frame, first we create a data frame. So first you import pandas, library and create object. Then create data frame using series. Then what is the column name 1 and 2 and the rows value ABC, XYZ and second row contain PQR and EFG. Then create data frame using dictionary and series. Then print D1. Then what is the output of this code? Using this code we create two columns and two rows. Columns name 1 and 2 and value of rows. First row contain ABC, XYZ, second row contain PQR and EFG. Now first function T function transpose. It is used to convert row into column and column into rows. Means it convert row value into column value and column value into row values. How to use? Print, write down data frame name, then use T function. Then what is the output of this function? This is the output of this function. Means column name change into rows value and rows index is changed into column name. Then the value will be interchange of rows and column. Now second function access. Write down data frame name, then use access function. Access function is used to display label of rows and columns. Label of rows and columns means name of the rows and columns. Then what is the output? Output of this function. Access value display the name of the rows and columns. So rows value start from 0. So the start value equals to 0 because data frame contain two values, then the stop equals to 2 and step equals to 1. Then name of the column index 1 and 2. Means access function is used to display name of the label of the rows and columns. Next function data type. D type, it is used to display the data type of the data frame. Then what is the data type? Object. Data type of the data frame is object. Next, empty. Empty function generate true if the data frame is empty, and empty function generate false if the data frame contains some values. Because data frame contains some value, then the empty function generate false value because data frame is not empty. Next, ndim. Next function ndim. Print data frame name d1 dot ndim. It is used to display dimension of data frame. By default data frame contain two dimensional, so the result of this line is 2 because data frame contain only two dimensional data always. Next, shape. shape, it is used to display number of rows and number of columns. Number of rows, this data frame contain 2 rows and 2 columns. So the value of shape function is 2 comma 2 because it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. Next, size. It is used to display number of elements present in data frame. So what is the result? This data frame contains 4 elements total. So D1, what is the output of D1 dot size? 4 elements because it contains 4 data only. Next, values. Values function is used to display values only without row label and column label. Means ABC, XYZ, PQR and EFG. Only values without row labels and without column label. Next, head function. Head and tail function. Head function is used to display first number of rows that you describe in head function. Means अगर आपने इसमें 2 लिखा है तो first 2 rows को display करेगा, अगर 3 लिखा है तो first 3 rows etc. Tail function is used to display last number of rows that defined in the function. अगर आपने 2 लिखा है तो लास्ट से 2 रोज डिस्प्ले करेगा, अगर आपने 3 लिखा है तो लास्ट से 3 रोज डिस्प्ले करेगा. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू functions of data frame on laptop. Now I will explain you functions of data frame practically. So first we open Python, click on start, then in P section click on Python 3.8, then open ideally Python 3.8 32-bit. It will take some time. Now press Ctrl N to open a new file. Then first import pandas and create object of pandas. Now create one series using dictionary. Use curly brackets. Then write down the name of the column 1 colon pd dot series function. Series function is used to create a series. Series is a 1-dimensional data and data frame is a 2-dimensional data structure. Then write down the value of the columns. Now after creating series, now create a data frame using series. Then write down the name of the data frame, for example D1. Then pd dot data frame. Data frame function is used to create a data frame using object or series or dictionary, array, etc. Then write down the name of the series. Now print D1. Ctrl S to save a file. write down the name of the file ass10.py, press enter, then press F5 and see the output. Now see the output. 2 rows and 2 columns will be displayed. Rows value contain index number 0 and 1, and column name is 1 and 2, and the data of first row is ABC and PQR, and data of second row means index that contain index value 1, XYZ and EFG. Now functions of data frame. First function, transpose, means T function. T function is used to convert rows into column and columns into rows. मतलब कि rows का data column में convert हो जाएगा, column का data rows में. Now see the output. Press Ctrl S and press F5 and see the output. Sorry, write down T in capital letter. Now see the output. Column name will be 0 and 1, and rows index value change from 0, 1 to 1 and 2, and the values also change. ABC, XYZ, first row contain ABC and XYZ, and second row contain PQR and EFG. Now second function, access. Ctrl S to save a file and press F5. Now see the output. Range index start equals to 0 and stop equals to 2 and step equals to 1. मतलब कि एक्सेस वैल्यू जो है वो रोज लेबल को डिस्प्ले करता है. किसको? रोज एंड कॉलम्स लेबल को. रोज इंडेक्स वैल्यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड कॉलम नेम are 1 and 2. See the output. 1 and 2, and data type is object because we create data frame using series. That's why data type equals to object. Stop equals to 2. मैं ये आपको पहले से ही बता चुकी हूँ. जो एक वैल्यू इंक्रीज करके दिखाता है वो, अगर हमने इंडेक्स वैल्यू 0 से स्टार्ट किए, रोज टोटल 2 है, लेकिन 0 से स्टार्ट होने के कारण वो चलेगा 2 तक ही. Next, D type. Ctrl S, F5 and see the output. It is used to display the data type. See the output. One column contain object, 2 column also contain object, and data type also contain object because we create a data frame using series. That's why data type equals to objects. Next, empty. Empty function is used to identify the data frame is empty or not. If the data frame is empty, then the empty function can return true value, otherwise empty function return false value. In above example, data frame is not empty, that's why what is the output of this line? False, because data frame contains series. False. See the output? False. Next, and dim. It is used to display dimension. By default, data frame is 2-dimension data structure. That's why AND-dim function always return 2 value. Control S and F5. Now see the output. 2. See the output. 2. Next function, shape. Shape function is used to display number of rows and number of columns. Control S and press F5 and see the output. 2, 2 because it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. Next, size. Size function is used to display number of elements present in the data frame. This data frame contains 4 elements, then size function return 4 value. Control S and press F5 and now see the output. 4 because it contains 4 elements ABC, PQR, XYZ and EFG. Next, values. Values function is used to display values only without row label and column label. मतलब वो उसकी labels को display नहीं करेगा कि ये 0 index value है, ये 1 index value है, ये column का name 1 है, ये 2 है, वो display नहीं करेगा, only values display करेगा. Control S and press F5 and see the output. ABC, PQR, XYZ and EFG. Only display the values without row and column label. Next, for next 2 function, we insert more rows and columns. More rows Now, next function, head function. Head function is used to display first number of rows described in head function. मतलब कि जैसे मैंने head function में लिखा है 2, तो ये first 2 rows को display कर देगा. Now see the output. Control S, F5. See the output. First 2 row will be display. Data frame contain total 4 rows 0, 1, 2 and 3. But using head function you can display first number of rows that you want to display. जितनी number of rows आप display करना चाहते हो उतनी number of rows display कर सकते हो. Using head function you can display first and rows that you want to display. For example, when we write 2, then the first 2 rows will be displayed. Next function, tel function. Tel function is used to display n number of rows from bottom. अगर आपको bottom से n rows display करनी है, means number of rows जितनी आप चाहते हो उतनी display करनी है, तो हम क्या use करेंगे? tel function. Control as, press F5 and now see the output. Second and third row will be displayed. Okay, thank you.